Welcome to the How to Write Your Novel course, where you will learn simple and effective techniques to guide you on your writing journey. My name is Suzie Carr, and I started writing novels back in 2004. Since then, I have written and published 14 bestseller novels and a few nonfiction books based on productivity, novel writing, and creating memorable characters. I am also an instructional designer, and I love making courses just like this one to help learners grow in their learning journeys. I designed this course for anyone who is seeking a systematic approach to writing a novel. We'll start with the basics of jump-starting your creativity, coming up with a story idea, brainstorming three-dimensional characters, and then we'll journey into planning your plot, charting your master scenes and your minor scenes, writing engaging dialogue, and creating memorable settings. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write a novel and get it ready for publication. I'll be sharing insights and easy-to-follow tips to sharpen your writing process. This teaching method is great whether you have a working novel idea in place already and you want to bring it into better focus, or whether you're starting from scratch and you have no idea what to do first. Not only will I go over the novel writing process, but I'll be there with you as you put the lessons into action with a fun and effective assignment after each lecture. Together, we'll go through the entire novel writing process, chunking it down into manageable tasks. I designed this course for the person who wants to succeed at writing a novel, but struggles with creating a process that is attainable and enjoyable. Together, we'll get there. Feel free to take a look at the course description, and I look forward to seeing you inside.